my niggas turn shooters. All my ops turn rats. All my niggas turn shooters. On the internet, you ain't been a threat. You been stuck in a computer. All my niggas from the Uda. All my niggas turn shooters. All my ops turn rats. All my niggas turn shooters. On the internet, you ain't been a threat. You been stuck in a computer.
You already know the vibe. We back again, man. Uda here. You already know we on go. Listen, y'all. A woman accused of beheading her boyfriend argues with the judge during court hearings. Now, listen, man. Again, a woman accused of Colombian on his acnady, homie, argues with the judge during the court hearing. Salute to everybody on the way in. Everybody make sure y'all get the likes up. Everybody make sure y'all getting in the comment section. Listen, it's a lot going on. This whole situation is crazy. Listen, you don't want to go nowhere. Trust me. Stay right here.
I do just a couple of things, Judge. First, we have 3 victim speakers. I asked if they speak last. Okay. We obviously went to a settlement conference. We stipulated the sentence. I think that the life tale reflects the gravity and the haunting nature of the facts. As you know, the defendant not only murdered her ex, but then desecrated his body by decapitating him and putting chemicals on his body, causing it to burn. The defendant admitted to the fatal blow. She never admitted to the decapitation portion, but the evidence was overwhelming that it was obviously her who did it. Another haunting fact, and something that should be concerning, which supports the life tale, is that the defendant had a corollary child abuse case pre-existed this. We reviewed, Ms. Griffith and I reviewed the minutes in that case, and it appears that 2 days after she murdered and decapitated her ex, she appeared in court in front of another judge in this courthouse and made representations that she was staying out of trouble, and obviously had that on her conscience at the time, walked right back out of the courthouse, and then ultimately was developed as our suspect and arrested. He's very seriously, obviously the family does as well. We believe the sentence reflects the gravity of the crime, so we will submit it. We do have some updates on it.
Damn stare of death over here. Look at the damn stare of death. She like this. It looked kind of scared and confused, but at the same time looking like she want to do something to you. So this look in her eyes. She got about 3 looks. One looks frightened. The other one looked like, yeah, I can't believe, go ahead and say it. Finna get up on you, right? She got all those looks in her eye at the same damn time, man. This is crazy. Let's get back to it.
Ms. Michaels, what, if anything, would you like to say before I pronounce sentence against you?
Jonathan was very special, very unique, and I know no matter what I say at this moment, I know right now no one in the family is going to believe me. I know right now no one in the family feels that I am innocent at any point, and I understand that. But I can actually prove my innocence. I actually can. And I'm not going to stop fighting to prove my innocence.
Hold up, man. Prove your innocence? What? First of all, you're talking to the family right now. You're accused of right now being sentenced for it, basically, for decapitating or basically beheading your boyfriend at the time, and then put some chemicals on his body and all types of other stuff like that. So what are we talking about here? I don't know, man. Listen, y'all, I don't know. Remember, everybody, make sure y'all drop likes and make sure y'all getting these messages out. The likes is like the gasoline to get these videos out to everybody, and this is how everybody gets it. But listen, man, bro, what do we do with this? Let's get back to it, y'all.
I have more than enough, and Jonathan deserves to have the actual person who's guilty behind bars. I was helping Jonathan. I have
no accountability at all here.
To help him, and this I know is hurting the family, and I can see it in your.
Look at this person's. Listen, when the person's telling you a story, okay, I wasn't there, so I don't know if this person was there or not. This person did it or not. I'm not saying that. But when you look at the person speaking, the person looks mad guilty and looks mad scared at the same time. They look guilty. I'm not saying just because you look guilty, you are guilty, but this person just looks extremely guilty. So I want y'all to get in the comment right now and tell me if you don't see the same things I'm seeing. Tell me that I'm not cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs over here and you see the same thing I'm seeing. Listen to how she's telling the story. And it's like, you want to get these people, the family, because she's talking directly to the family, nobody else in the court, not us, not nobody else. But it seems like you're going hard trying to get the family to believe you, but it's not coming across. I just don't see the heart, the empathy, or the emotion. This is not a time for you to just make your case just to the family. You want to make your case, period, to the whole entire world to understand that you are sorry for what you've done right here, okay? Because nobody but you is believing that you didn't do this and you waiting for the real person, the culprit, to get caught for this crime. Stop playing these games. Stop playing these games. Let's get back to it. Everybody make sure y'all dropping like, share this video, get in the comment section, because I don't know what the hell going on with this, man. I don't know what the hell is going on with this.
Faces, and I know your hearts are angry, and they should be, and I'm angry for you. And this is not fair to you. This has been dragging out for almost 2 years. It's not fair to you. And it's not fair to his children. Any of them. And it's not right. It really isn't. It's not. I've seen so much that it's just terrible. The way that they manipulated and altered and deleted things is wrong. They should not be able to do it, and they have. And for you to be able to look me in the eye knowing that the things are altered and...
You pled guilty, man.
Ms. Michaels, you are not to address the state. You are to
I'm not
address
addressing
you are.
the state.
You're addressing the
She said you pled guilty already, miss. What's this story talking about? Something you done pled guilty to the whole crime. You pled guilty. Ain't got to find you guilty. You pled guilty, you know. And you going through this whole spiel about who didn't do it. I understand being in jail and all types of... This person obviously got some mental issues. We get that to be a fact. But think about that whole thing. I did not know that the person pled guilty. I thought that the jury found them guilty. And you go through that whole speech after you pled guilty. Save me the trouble, man. Y'all get in the comments. Tell me what y'all thinking about that. That's bugged out. That's bugged out.
Mr. Giordano, you were going to address me. What do you want me to say? What do you want to say to me?
My apologies. I wasn't trying to address the state directly. It's just, I was thing after another, and I truly believed that we were going to do the right thing, and it just didn't happen. I am so sorry for all of this, but I'm so sorry.
Don't look like she believe it. Don't look like she believes it.
And I didn't know this would end up like this. I really didn't. And I will forever apologize to the family. But I don't know how to fix any of this anymore. I don't. I keep listening to what everyone tells me is the best thing to do. Just do this and it'll work out this way, and follow this advice and we'll do this. And I keep listening to the people because they keep saying this is the best advice. It doesn't turn out the way they tell me it will. And it just gets worse and worse. And I don't know what to do anymore.
Judge, I'm not comfortable with this record. I'm willing to let her out of her plea if the court is inclined.
I don't
I'm
know
willing
how
to let her
finish
out of her
this.
plea.
All right. It's just
Wow.
this was
Because she's coming back to say all these things like you guessing this happened and you don't know what happened and somebody else did this thing now. So think about it. He's like, yo, I'm willing to take back the plea. Wow, that's crazy.
Wouldn't be appropriate.
I completely understand.
Let's go to trial.
Mr. Giordani. All right.
Let's
Ms. Michael, Judge Mr. Giordani says that he's willing to let you out of your plea and he's willing to try this case. And you understand that he's willing to try this case on an open murder. So a jury can convict you of a first-degree murder. You understand that? Or do you want to talk to Mr. Patrick about it?
Well, I don't want to talk to Mr. Patrick. He didn't listen to anything I said.
Miss Michaels, I need you to understand what I'm saying to you and answer my question. Do
Yes.
you want to withdraw your plea and go to trial?
Yes, please.
All right, this plea is going to be withdrawn. Ms. Patrick, I need you to have some discussions with your client
Your
about.
Honor, I've moved to withdraw at this time. This case needs to go back to the appointed counsel.
Ms.
I will.
Michaels, hold on just one second. Ms. Michaels, you need to conduct yourself like this is a courtroom. If you cannot do that, then they're going to remove you because I still have business to conduct.
Yes.
This is sentencing. They already plead guilty. They're about to stop this whole thing that they done went to. The family's there waiting for some kind of justice. Now she's about to go to a trial. Now this family's going to have to go to a trial. And God bless that family, man. After your relative then got beheaded, you know. And this person done pled guilty already, you know. Now at sentencing, they come up with a spiel and this whole thing. That's insane. That's.
Do you understand? Mr. Patrick?
Judge, respectfully, I move to withdraw and have this case sent back to Office of Appointed Counsel. I am not in a position to accept appointment on this case should it go to trial at this time.
All right. All right, I'm gonna have to reach out to the Office of Appointed Counsel and get her a lawyer that's going to be appointed with the understanding this case is 2 years old. This case is not going to sit stagnant and wait and wait and wait around for a trial. So I'm going to reach out to Ms. Bush myself and have a discussion with her in regards to the appointment of counsel because this is not going to be, this case has been delayed extensively, and this case is not going to further be delayed so that there is no justice for everybody.
Yes, Your Honor.
And Your Honor, if I may, that's
This is crazy right here, man. It's crazy. Go through all of that, make the plea, all of those things, get to the sentencing now, and that's what you do, man. This is crazy, man. I need y'all to get in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this whole situation. Tell me what you think about any parts of this video. The look in her eyes, how she was looking like she was confused, but like she wanted to give him some business and she wanted some smoke. Kind of like how Kid Cudi act like he wanted to smoke with Diddy. Where you at, Diddy? I'm coming to run down on you. Gets to his own house, Kid Cudi. Sees Diddy. Diddy said, Diddy, and go. He said, Diddy chasing him allegedly all through LA streets. Like they over potholes and you know them hills. Remember, Kid Cudi was in the Hollywood Hills. Acting like he wanted to smoke. He ain't want to smoke. You know what I mean? And Diddy beat the damn Rico. So he damn snitched for nothing. It's crazy. Anyway, but look, man, this whole situation is crazy. Let me know what y'all think. And salute to everybody in the building. Shout out to the whole Go gang. I appreciate y'all. You already know the team Go. It's always team Go. Make sure you're in every video, every comment. Make sure y'all liking. Make sure y'all sharing. Cash App is Udo on Go. Salute to everybody that's supporting the Cash App. Salute to everybody that's super chatting with me live too as well, man. I appreciate all the energy, all the new subscribers. You're welcome here. You are on Go. We are all on Go. So you already know, man. Uda, Uda, Uda. You already know we on Go, man.
All my niggas from the Uda, all my niggas turn shooters. All my ops turn rats.